My name is Mariam, and I'm a senior chemist here at Domino. Although it's a challenging field, there's something really therapeutic about developing inks. The process, the mixing, the colours. Domino inks are extremely high quality. They're designed specifically for use with Domino printers, which helps us to increase our customers' productivity and reduce their downtime. Getting the science right behind each ink formulation is essential, as all of our customers have different needs. And these Domino codes can be found in a variety of places, even in places you may not expect. From food and beverage packaging, to life sciences, to electronics, to personal care, to everything in between.
The facilities here really are market leading. We've invested heavily in technology that boosts our productivity.
Utilising innovations like this robotic formulation system enables us to sample hundreds of formulations a day with great accuracy and precision. It also allows us to be more creative and run experiments that we couldn't perhaps run in a conventional lab setting. Not only does this promote sustainability, but it gives the customer the best product with the shortest lead time. This means that we can produce quantity as well as quality. To ensure that we're at the cutting edge of ink development science, we collaborate with trade associations like EUPIA, BCF and the RSC. We can then convert that expertise into tangible benefits for our customers. I spend a considerable amount of my day-to-day analysing data to effectively formulate. We use modelling tools and smart formulation to help us design experiments efficiently. We also use supply data to choose the best raw materials possible and to understand how these raw materials affect our products technically. Identifying optimal formulations isn't just something I enjoy in the lab, I'm the same at home. We have a brilliant employee recognition platform as well, and there's a real focus on well-being across the company. We also have our own social club and run weekly sporting events like dodgeball and football. Completing successful projects that create a real difference for our customers is what keeps me motivated.